Hi, I'm Alyssa, and right now I'm going to Olivia's house, and Hannah's there. I think you've seen Hannah from another video. And so I'm riding my bike, you can see, and we just got blacktop, so it's a lot easier. And we're gonna make some vlogs today because I know we haven't done it in like 5 months. So we just want to kind of update them and stuff. So right now nothing's really going on. It was just some, hang on. It's kind of hard to get up this hill, so. There's some construction going on, so. Getting kind of loud. Hi. Okay, got past that. Hi. Good. Okay, there's a garage sale. There was a garage sale and there's some, what do you call those people? Jeez, there's a bunch of garage sales going on my street. I forget what you call them. They're what do they call it? I can't think of it. I don't know what they're called. But they're the Amish, yeah. Okay, so they were at the garage sale. They're always at garage sales. Going fast. You like my handlebars? Me and Olivia did that like a long time ago. We could still ride our bike. It was like, yeah, a long time ago. So I'm almost to Olivia's house, so I'm going to end this video. It's at 2 minutes and 35 seconds now. So I'm almost to Olivia's, so goodbye. Love you all. Bye.